The Shortcuts app for iPhone allows for an intricate level of customization. In this podcast, Mr. Mohammed Hamza will be going over the steps to create an automatically activating power saving mode.
Greetings everyone, this is Hamza after a long time within a podcast, and today we're discussing something crucially important and equally traumatic. When your phone dies and you're at a situation where you cannot afford it to die. And confession time, I've been a culprit of so many of those killings where my phone has died on me. So that specifically happened because I was prone to low power warnings. And now today, I'm presenting a solution that I've found, which is to build a low power mode on steroids. For those out there who can see, you owe me a treat for showing you such an organized screen. My screen is organized into folders, and I'll click on Essentials folder.
Essentials folder, 8 apps, 4 new items.
Alright.
Shortcuts.
Now I'll go to Shortcuts.
Shortcuts. Automation. Heading.
Automation. There's a tab that we want to select. If you haven't landed on this tab, then click on Automation tab at the bottom middle part of the screen.
New automation button.
New automation button, double tap.
Cancel button.
What we want our phone to do is that if the battery level falls below 5%, let's say, then we want it to turn on airplane mode, set the device to low power mode. In those cases, toggle the airplane mode on specifically, not to turn it the other way around as if it's already on, so it would turn it off. It should toggle it on. It should also show us a nice looking notification that we should charge our device immediately.
Search field.
There's a search box. We'll double tap on it.
Search field. Is editing. A.
I'm typing battery.
Battery level. X. When battery level rises above 50%. Button.
I'll double tap and hold on it because double tapping sometimes doesn't work in Shortcuts.
When.
Perfect. When battery level
50%. Adjustable.
50%. Okay.
Selected. Equals 50%.
Equals 50%.
Rises above 50%.
Rises above 50%.
Falls below 50%.
Falls below 50%.
Selected. Falls below 50. Rises equals 50%.
So 50% is too much. If your phone falls below 50%, it's going to trigger those predefined events that we are going to define now. I'll double tap and hold on this slider and then slowly flick left.
50%, 45, 30%, 55%, 20%, 15%, 10%, 5%,
5%.
Falls 5%. Falls below 5%.
We'll click on falls below 5%.
Selected. Falls below 5.
Now, there are a few additional options to be aware of as well.
Selected. Run after confirmation.
Run after confirmation, but we'd like it to run by its own. So we'll navigate to the next option, which is
Run immediately.
Run immediately. That means it will run by itself. And that's exactly where we want to click. Double tap.
Selected. Notify when run. Switch button. Off.
Notify when run. Switch button off. If it's on, turn it off. Because as a last step, we'd like to show a customized notification that we'll define later on.
Next button.
Now at the top right, there's the next button. We'll click on that.
Next. Back button. When battery level falls below 5%. Heading. Search. Search field.
So what do you want it to do if the battery level falls below 5%? We'll double tap on the search box.
Search and point at end.
At first, we'd like it to turn low power mode on.
L-O-W. Set low power mode. Button.
Set low power mode.
Set low power mode.
Double tap and hold.
Turn low power mode on.
Turn low power mode on. Perfect. There's a search box at the bottom.
Action library. Search for apps and actions. Search field.
This one. So up till now, we have defined the battery level as to when the battery level falls below a certain percentage. Low power mode should be turned on, as well
Search
as
field. Is editing. Search A-I-R.
airplane mode.
Search results. App search share. Airdrop. But set airdrop. Scripting. Set airplane mode. Button.
Under scripting, set airplane mode. Double
Set
tap.
airplane mode. Set airplane mode. Heading. Pose. Button. Favorite. Button.
Now, there's a description.
Adds the device's airplane mode to on or off. This action cannot be run on Mac. Add the shortcut. Button.
We'll add it to Shortcuts.
Add the shortcut. Show options menu. Button. Pop-up button.
So we're still in the window of airplane mode.
Set airplane mode. Set airplane mode. Pose. Button. Close.
We'll close it.
Action library. Search for apps and actions. Search field.
Now, we'd like it to notify us that we should charge our battery immediately. We'll click on this search
field.
box.
Is editing. N.
We're typing in notification.
N-O-T-I-F. Search results. Then enough. Scripting. Show notification. Button.
Under scripting again, show notification. Double tap on this.
When battery level falls below 5%. Show notification. Displays a local notification. Attachments, wallpapers, focuses, media, Evernote notes, Windows, rich text, iTunes artists, photo media, Shazam media, podcast episodes, iTunes media, locations, barcodes, PDFs, iTunes products, Jiffy items.
There's a long description.
Add the shortcut. Button.
So I'll just click on add to shortcut.
Add the shortcut. Airplane mode. Draggable. Show options menu. Actions. Show notification. Hello world.
Now we could further make alterations to this notification.
Remove. Show notification. Hello world.
Show notification hello world. We'll flick down as if we're interacting with an action.
Body. Hello world. Show notification. Hello world. Delete.
Now, so you wouldn't get voiceover feedback over here.
Delete.
Just click delete a few times.
Dictate.
Just dictate. Please charge your battery immediately.
Insert. Please charge your battery immediately. Show notification. Please charge your battery immediately.
Okay, that's done. We'll flick down again.
Edit. Body. Please charge your battery immediately. Show more.
Show more. We'll click on that.
Show notification. Please charge your battery immediately.
So it has further expanded the notification so that we can make further modifications to it.
Title.
Title.
Optional. Text field. Insertion point at end. Dictate.
We'll type in critical battery alert.
Inserted critical battery alert. Play sound. Switch button. On.
We'll keep it to on. You can do it as per your wish.
Show notification. Trackable.
Now at the top right, there's
Done. Button.
done button. We'll click on that.
Done.
So there we are. It will also give us a notification saying critical battery alert. You should charge your device immediately, which looks nice and organized. And I hope you liked this tutorial. If you didn't understand anything about this low power mode on steroids, please do let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.